Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a grainy vintage effect in Photoshop. So first open your image and then copy it by pressing Ctrl and J and then convert it to a smart object. And then open it with Camera Raw filter, and I'm using the latest version of Camera Raw 12.3 and I love this Camera Raw, and this update version is really good. All the options are more organized now and it's easy to use now. So at first go to the basic option, and here you will find all the options, and I want to increase the temperature a little bit. I think plus 12 is perfect, and just a little tint, and I don't want to increase or decrease the exposure. It's perfect for this image. And decrease the contrast a little bit, minus 26 for this, and highlights is also perfect. And I want to increase the shadows, plus 40 for shadows. And then for white I want to give minus 84 white, and then plus 100 for black. Look at this. And then I want to add some clarity. I think plus 20 is good, and also increase the dehaze a little bit, plus 17 for dehaze, and plus 14 for vibrance, and also increase the saturation a little bit, plus 10 for saturation. Looks good. And then go to the curve option, and look at this. In the new version the curves are more organized and it's easy to use. I love this updated version very much. So click on the RGB and increase this. I think this is fine. And now create another point. And I think this is good, and make another point. I think this is good, and another point also. So this is good. And then go to the detail option to add some sharpness, and I'm giving 20 for sharpening and 15 for color noise reduction. And then go to the color mixer option, and in the hue I'm giving minus 16 for red, minus 9 for orange, and minus 64 for yellow, and then 36 for green, and minus 31 for blues. And then go to the saturation, and I want to decrease the orange, minus 42 for orange, and yellow also. I think minus 47 for yellow. I want to decrease the green, and here minus 72 for green, and minus 62 for aquas, and minus 62 for blues also, and minus 100 for purple and magentas. Then go to the luminance, and plus 20 for orange, and 78 for yellow, and then 100 for green, aquas and blues, and then go to the split toning, and in the highlight section I am giving 77 for hue and 12 for saturation. That's good. And then go to the effects option, and I want to add some grain. I am giving 48 here and 70 for size and 87 for roughness. That's good. And now and to increase the vibrance just a little. This is good. And increase the shadows a little bit, I think. That's good. And I also increase the exposure just a little. So look at this before and after. It looks great. So press OK when you are done. So look at this. This is the before and this is after. It looks good. And let's try with other images. I'm using the exactly same preset. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. It looks good. And with another image, look at this. This was the before and this is after. If you love this video, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.